Meaning of Dutch elm disease.
Dutch elm disease.
Dutch elm disease.
Dutch elm disease.
Dutch elm disease. Dutch elm disease is a fungal disease that affects elm trees. It is spread by elm bark beetles which carry the fungus from infected trees to healthy ones. The fungus then blocks the tree's water conducting system, causing it to wilt and ultimately die. Symptoms of Dutch elm disease include yellowing and wilting leaves, and eventually, dead branches. If left untreated, it can result in the death of the entire tree population in an area. The disease has had a devastating impact on elm tree populations worldwide.